I flew to Singapore nung kakatapos na Sabado at meron tayong one-on-one with him. Oo, tayo lang. Sa Pilipinas, only Tweet Biz has this interview. Diba? Iba tayo. Totoo yan. Totoo yan. Ito ang ating one-on-one, exclusive one-on-one interview with Adam Lambert only here on Tweet Biz. Ito na yun. Go, Adam! After American Idol, so you know you've had a slew of controversies, which for me it's not really controversial. For me, I support that, you know, because you're born to express.
Yeah.
And that's how you express.
That's me.
Yourself.
Yeah.
Exactly. But there's been this like cradam fiction.
I've heard about it a little.
Yeah. So how do you feel? How do you react to these things?
It's funny to me. I mean, I think if you don't have a sense of humor about the way you're portrayed in the public, you're gonna go nuts.
Yes.
So I just learned how to laugh at everything. It's the only way I can.
Yeah.
I just shrug it off.
So what are the other things that are not true? You know, so that
Oh, gosh.
so that it's clear to people.
I don't know. Ask me. I mean, there's tons of rumors out there. Tons.
Top 3 rumors that are not true about Adam Lambert.
I'm not back together with my ex-boyfriend. I'm single.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, well, I want to win the costume contest because I need some money.
Mm-hmm.
So I wore like a dress and a wig, and I did like a drag thing.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't have like boobs,
Mm-hmm.
and I didn't like.
You just push it up.
I didn't do anything like that. I just wore a dress. I was like a boy body, but in girls' clothes. And I won, and it was fun. And I had a lot of makeup on, glitter, and things like that. I like the kid from Tokyo Hotel, the singer Bill. He's beautiful, I think. I like his style. The kid from Gossip Girl, Chase Crawford. He's really handsome.
Yeah.
When I was younger, when I was teenager, I loved Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yeah, Titanic.
Titanic, yeah. Romeo and Juliet even more.
Yes. Sa darating pa palang Thursday pala, kumbaga, inamin din niya, marami siya pang ibang inamin. Kinento niya tungkol sa relasyon niya with Lea Salonga. Meron siyang inamin tungkol sa American Idol. Sino mga bets niya? Sino tingin niya mananalo? Anong tingin niya kay Ellen DeGeneres? So lahat yan sa Thursday. Itong Adam Lambert. Okay, itong Adam Lambert exclusive for Tweet Biz is Swak, of course.
Wow!
Okay. So next story, guys.